Structure of a coronavirus, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, which was identified in 2019. Here is a picture of coronavirus. Corona is a Latin word which means crown. Coronaviruses are large and roughly spherical, as you can see in the picture. Their size is highly variable and their average diameter is from 80 to 120 nanometers, and in their extreme sizes, it can be from 50 to 200 nanometers. This is a coronavirus. Now let's take a look at its structure. This is enclosed within an envelope. This is envelope. Envelope is made up of lipid bilayer and it has proteins like M proteins, membrane proteins, S proteins, spike proteins, and E proteins. Envelope proteins. You can see in the picture. This E protein and M protein, they form the structural proteins. They combine with the lipid bilayer and gives the shape and maintains the size of coronavirus. As I told, M proteins, these M proteins, you can see these lines, orange colored lines are M proteins. These M proteins and E proteins, these are E proteins, they form structural proteins of the virus. Out of these two, M protein is the main structural protein and it plays a crucial role in the reproduction, that is budding, of virus. And E proteins, they also have some role in reproduction, that is budding, but it is responsible for intracellular trafficking. Okay, so these are spikes of coronavirus. These are responsible for interaction with the host cell. But in coronavirus, human coronavirus NL63, M proteins are responsible for interaction with the host cell and not the spike proteins. On an average, there are 74 spike proteins on a virus. These spikes are approx 20 nanometer long. These spikes are composed of a trimer and S proteins. S protein is further composed of S1 and S2 subunits. Okay, so inside the envelope, there is nucleocapsid bound with positive sense single-stranded RNA in a continuous bead on a string type of conformation, as you can see in the picture. In this picture, you can see these green colored spike kind of things. They are not present in all the coronaviruses. They are only found in beta coronavirus subgroup A. They are not found in severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. And this coronavirus belongs to subgroup B, whereas these green colored kind of things, they are found only in beta coronavirus subgroup A. They are known as heme agglutinin esterase and they help in attachment and detachment from the host cells.